Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on SEI. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price and of SEI broke out a falling wedge pattern, and after that, it broke down an up trend line support as well. And this was my last video. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, and this is the daily time frame chart, and here you can see that this was the falling wedge pattern that we have broken out. And after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, and the price line was rejected by this resistance of 70 cents. You can see that we got several attempts to break it out, but could not break out. And after this rejection, the price line has broken down this uptrend line support that was, by the way, found here on 5th of August 2024. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. And now after the breakdown, this support is flipped into resistance. The price line is rejected here and here by this uptrend line resistance. And now we have broken down this next support of 41.6 cents. And now the price line is trying to break it out once again. And it was moving to the downside at the same time there was a bullish divergence flashed as the price was forming a lower than previous low and moving to the downside. And if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then you can see that RSI was forming higher lows. And stochastic was also entered the oversold zone as well. Therefore, now we are watching this price correction, and now it is trying to break out this resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SEI that I shared a few days ago on 6th of January 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SCI that I shared a few days ago on 6th of January 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartler pattern that SCI formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. You can see when it completed the final leg, it was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some price correction and then we can buy it from this buying zone. And by the way, this was a complete trade setup, buying zone and the sell target zone, the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line, after a small correction, again moved down, re-entered the buying zone, and then we had a very, very nice pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of SCI, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that previously it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern, and after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally the price end broke out the resistance. And after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, but the price end was rejected by this long-term resistance of 70 cents. By the way, this 70 cents has been previously working as a resistance here and support here and resistance here. Now again, it is working as a very, very strong resistance, and now we have broken down the support of 1.6 cents, and we have also broken down this up trend line support as well. If the price then breaks out this resistance, then we will need to break out this up trend line resistance as well. And after that, we will also need to break out this resistance of 60 cents and then 70 cents. By the way, this 60 cents has been recently working at a resistance here and support here, and support here as well. This can be a complete resistance zone from 60 to 70 cents, a quite long-term and strong resistance zone. And previously, SCI has been moving inside this wedge pattern. That was a quite similar move. You can see that after the breakout, we had a very, very massive rally, and this was by the way, a very powerful rally. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, and you can see that this was more than 1109% rally, and the price line was rejected by this resistance of $1.14.5. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern, by the way, this wedge is bigger than the previous one. And the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $1 or somewhere between $1 to $1.14.5. Therefore, now we can expect that sooner or later the price can hit that resistance zone once again, and it can make another attempt to break out this long-term resistance zone very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.